new Ajax DoubleButton. And the main objective remains the same for the previous device in line, the Ajax Button. And that is the single button alarm activation, or the alarm sirens activation, specific ones or each one. And you can also set it to run different automation scenarios like trigger a smoke machine, close locks, blinks, different action scheduling, and many other event-activated tasks. My name is Daniel. This is a brief review of the new Ajax DoubleButton on the People Systems store, where you can get all Ajax alarm devices and video surveillance stuff for you as well. And we begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
So, why it has to be double? The idea behind new Ajax DoubleButton, well, of course, is that you carry it in your pocket with your keys. It's a key fob to activate the alarm, but it's designed that way to avoid accidental presses and requires both buttons to be pressed at once, well, to activate the alarm. The buttons are quite tight and hard to press, and they are intentionally separated by this barrier in order to prevent the press by accident. You won't get a false alarm when carrying it in a pocket, bag or wallet or whatever. And the activation success is indicated with the LED lighting, well, kind of like this. The next idea behind the Ajax DoubleButton is about the confirmation. Everything was made to get rid or to decrease the chance of causing a false alarms. And it is assumed that the button could be pressed in a specific pre-programmed order. Hold up. Like on this graphics. First goes the long press, and then goes the short press, and it will work only if you follow this order. And this is some sort of a combination where the unauthorized person won't do a thing. Or this can be double button setup, meaning the alarm is raised only when two button owners press within like around 10 seconds. Here you can see how we're supposed to install and use it. You can have it under the desk, carry on a keychain, on a neck as a necklace, and installed on the wall near the door or the bed. And I hope you can see that there's a particular mount for this device called a holder bracket to mount it on surfaces, and its design is pretty simple. Also, interesting thing to mention, DoubleButton has IP55 protection level, water will do no damage to it, and it's actually the same water resistance level that Ajax LeaksProtect sensor has. And now let's finish this with specs and numbers. Ajax DoubleButton compatible with all Ajax hubs and Rex signal range extenders. The operating communication distance is 1300 meters. The alarm delivery happens under 0.15 millisecond, and the device is always active and doesn't have to be wake up. The stated battery life cycle is 5 years on one charge, and the operating temperature range is from -10 to +40 Celsius. The activation and use are as simple as they were. You've got the Ajax hub activated under your account, Ajax app on your phone, you've got the device, and the device has a QR code on its back. So yeah, you go into the app, press the Add Device button, Add Device, then you locate this QR code button and turn the device back. There we go, naming it a double button, just the way Ajax called it. Press in studio, and what we do now, here's the hub, here's the phone, and now you just gotta press a single button. It's okay for 7 seconds, as it says right here. We'll wait till it be 20, and there we go. Hub 2 DoubleButton was added successfully. There you have it. Battery charge, LED brightness, you can adjust it right here. And now what I want to show you, the way it works. So, one button, nothing. See the red indication. Nothing. Nothing. But when I go this, I've got the notification. And again, the notification. And there's one more way, so we can hold it for like 2 and more seconds. And you'll get this double arrows, so I hope you can see it. There should be a phone somewhere right there. So 1, single arrow pointed down for some reason, and if you hold it, you'll get a double arrow, and this is how it basically works, and that's it. It is a minor update indeed, but does it has its own specific use scenarios and its specific audience? Definitely. So how it is different from the Ajax singular button? It is more protected from accidental presses, it can be programmed to be activated under a specific actions order, and it is basically a hold-up device intended firstly for unobstructed alarm activation. And if you like it, follow this link to get it on the People System store, along with all other Ajax alarm system devices. We ship every UK, Europe, and many other countries, and thank you for watching.